thought I would do a 90-day review. It's actually past 90 days, but I haven't used it a lot this last month. Been using the side-by-side a lot more, my Defender. So anyways, I've had two issues that I solved pretty quick here. The first issue was one of the bulbs was burnt out. And that's not a Can-Am. Actually, it wasn't burnt out. That's not a Can-Am issue. That was a dealership manufacturing issue. And let me tell you a funny story. So I let the dealership know that this halogen wasn't working, and so they mailed me a new lamp, and the lamp that they mailed me was the wrong one. It didn't fit, so I just was like, yeah, whatever. But anyways, so what happened was there's two prongs inside here, inside the headlight housing, that power the halogen bulb, and one of the prongs was bent, like the bulb was forced in there. So the bulb actually worked. I pulled it out and saw that and just straightened it out. So I resolved that issue pretty quick. And the next issue was I was losing my power steering, and the whole machine was rattling. I couldn't figure it out. Like, why is the power steering reacting like that? And the display was flickering. I thought, what the heck is going on here? And come to find out, I'll show you what the issue was. I found the issue right here at the battery. So I believe the dealership hooks up the batteries in the machines, and the positive was loose and the negative was practically falling off. And I had to get a new nut for inside here, because that nut was stripped out and this was crooked, which is unacceptable. If you're a mechanic at a dealership, you have to know how to put things together. I was a little bummed out about that. But the crazy thing is that my Defender had the same issue at and it was at a different dealership. So I don't know why they're not checking that. That's very frustrating. With these two-up machines, when you take the seat off here, I have this power cord which powers the heated hand grips here. And this seat I don't like a lot when I'm just riding it myself, because my feet always hit the handlebars when I'm getting off and on. It would be nice if they had like a fake seat you could put back here. Also, I don't know what to do with the power cord when I disconnect that, other than just stick it down this hole, but the electrodes are exposed. So maybe you guys know what to do about that. Otherwise, the only other option is just to buy a single machine and not a two-up, but I like the length of the two-up. I also bought this seat cover because I know that ATVs over time get a lot of wear and tear on the seats, especially if it's sitting in the sun. Sorry, the machine's a little dirty and dusty here. It's springtime. I'll get her washed up as soon as it gets muddy. It hasn't even gotten muddy yet. It only comes with one key, and that's a little frustrating. If you lose this key, or say you're out wheeling and a branch hits it and it flies off into a mud puddle or flies off into the woods, you're never going to find it and you're stuck out there. So I'm going to have to order another key. The suspension's a little stiff, a little more stiff than I'm used to, but it's kind of on a medium setting there. I could soften it up, but maybe I just need to get used to it. other than that, it's a great machine. The handlers used it a lot more than I did. I think I only got 150 miles on it in 90 days, which is, you know, practically nothing. So, yeah. Maybe we'll do another video after 6 months. I'm going to use it a lot this summer, free running the dogs. And you'll see it in some of my free running videos. But, yeah. Hope you have a good one.